Hey guys, sorry for the background noise behind, but I'm gonna show you how to make a slow rising squishy. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just gonna put the Sorry if it's bothering you guys, but this is a squishy that I'll be making. It's slow rising. Sorry for the background noise behind, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Slow rising squishy. Camera isn't focusing the video. So actually I added like some eyes and a mouth. So let me just go get the things that you will need and I'll be right back. So yeah. So guys, I am back and I got the ingredients to make this squishy. And I really love this squishy because it's slow rising. Yeah, so you're gonna need like a floam, sorry guys. You're gonna need some floam. Okay, you're gonna need some floam from your mattress. Mattress foam, and then you also okay guys, I'm back. You're also gonna need some slime. So yeah, first you're going to shape your things, your flow from your mattress or something, and then I'm gonna come right back when I make it. Okay, so just to make like a little lettuce patty, so I got this little lettuce patty. It's this thick. I think I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. So I actually chose to make like a fluffier one. So I got this. Now you're gonna take some slime and you're gonna just start putting it on very slowly. You want little slime by time. So you're gonna want to cover all of this. So I'm gonna just cover it. It's gonna be kind of hard to do this, so yeah, just do that. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. So I'm done covering it up with slime. Now, oh, that was so nice to hear. That's all slow rising. Now I'm going to add because it's like heart shaped. I actually like it because I tried to make it heart shaped. So yeah. So I actually chose to add some eyes on and a smile on it, like this one. So for me, I think it's better if you add if you add some
what?
If you add I think for doing the shape, I think it's better you add, instead of a pen, you add a marker. Okay, my dad's putting better lighting. I think you should put it right here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, thank you. Now I'm gonna add some eyes on it.
Now I'm good to go.
Oh, so my dad just left. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm just gonna add some eyes on this. I didn't cover this part, so I'm gonna cover that. So I added like crazy eyes on this one. It became even more slow rising. Sorry for the sound, but it's slow rising, and this, I actually love this one more because it's like cheddar cheese. This is my cheddar cheese one. I said it was pizza, I think, but I think I love it when I say it's cheddar cheese. So, and this one is just I don't know. I'll name this next time. I don't know. I don't know what I should name it. Diamond, I think. No. Like Green Heart. Yeah, Green Heart. I love Green Heart because it started being even more slow rising. Let me just show you guys real quick. And I'm gonna do my face reveal when I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm just gonna reveal my face. How I'm wearing. So yeah, got that there. I think you can see me nicely. So I hope you guys can see me, but I'm just gonna show you how slow rising this is. And I'm also gonna show you how slow rising cheddar is. And I think I forgot to mention that this was my first YouTube video. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on YouTube like today. So yeah, and it has these so nice sounds. Like this one, all the slime like went inside. That's why it's all slow rising. All the slime like went inside this foam. So that's why it's all slow rising. And yeah, so I love all of them the same. Like this one started like all the slime started going inside it. So I think that's good. Good. I just added just a bit more slime at the back because the slime started like fading away, and I want so much slime to this one. Sorry for my mom. Sorry about my mom. She's laughing with my dad, and then so I added crazy, as I said already. Like they're so cute. I love them both. They're so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, and this like crazy smile. Right? And then here I added just like some crazy eyes and a crazy smile, cause I like crazy. I like crazy. Oh yeah. And today, guys, I just started acting so nice. I don't know why, because I usually scream a lot and I shout a lot. So I'm not gonna be this like I'm not gonna be like this patient like on my next videos. I'm gonna like be shouting and things like that. Oh yeah. So there we go. And this one, actually start liking this more because this one like not super slow rising. See, it is slow rising. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching this week's video. #subscribe, #like this video down below, and yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.